good at what they do. So
tell us more
wow.
what it is that they do. Yeah.
And in the studio today we have Prizani Msomukhona la studio namhlanje. Welcome to Vuma FM Breakfast, bro.
Hey, bodi msokoloko sanibonani.
Yes. Uyaphila mfowethu.
Hey ngumqimani mina kakhulu bhuti wami nina khamba kahle?
No.
We're good. The energy is good this morning. Your energy is good.
Hey bathuvalo.
Ayisuka. Yakulizwa at
Experience
all.
counts.
Yeah.
Abantu abafana noJoe abaphela lapha ehlathini.
Susaningi, yeah.
Ukuthusa
abantu. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
When we're talking about Prizani, mfethu qhamuka kiphi ndawo?
Number 1 bhuti mzokoloko ngibingelele bafethu kunina abafethu ngibahlonipha kakhulu uyajabula kakhulu kuba nani studio namhlanje njengoba usushilo bhuti wami igama uThandazani uTP ngithi ke uTP umele uThe Prince abazali bami bangiqamba nje izinto zahambisana uphinde umele uThe Promoter because omunye umsebenzi lo yengenza kakhulu ukupromote but ke insizwa le yasendwedwe bhuti wami ozwathini lapha ke ku Ward 9 kaNondabula isigodi sisayibamba ngolidala asikabi nabo section sayishaya ke igodi so ke uyena Thandazani TP Msomi loyo mfana nje ona 30 years sekukhulekile kona de ngohlanganisa nje mhla ka17 kuJuly. Okay, number 1 abantu bengangihlakabeza la emsakazweni iVuma every Sunday ngiba khona nophumlani kwanyana ngenza ke ama books review baphinde bengibone kuma activations ahlukahlukene ngisebenze wesana with the Cosmic Beauty so kuyobe kusawuyena uTP Msomi loyo.
Yes. Sweet. And unomsebenzi wakho la kuyiwona sifisa ukuthi ke sithinte ngawo wenza izinto zesikhumba just to ukuthi ubeke umlaleli esithumbeni imiphi imikhiqizo enenzayo.
Bhuti mzokoloko imikhiqizo esiyenzayo senza izinto ezifana nama wallet senze izinto ezifana nama bande asesinqeni senze izinto ezifana nama key rings phecelezi ama key holder senze izinto ezifana nama sling bag for abantu besilisa nabantu besifazane siphinde ke senze nezinto ezifana ke nama washi for both abantu besilisa nabantu besifazane siphinde senze nezikhwama zama laptops so ke okuhlukile ngathi umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi hawu naze na invite lensizwa e-studio because mhlambe baningi abantu abawenzayo lo msebenzi akawuchazayo okuhlukile ngathi ukuthi mabe sesikwenzile number 1 senza ngeleda iqinile nokho so ethi mingabe iguga iphelelwa isikhathi ayiqothuki but iyashine more bese ngaphandle kwalokho umuntu siphinde simbrandele leyo product lesuke simenzele yona side wallet isikhwama or ibhande masithi siyambrandela shothi ke sibhala igama lakho njengoba abanye bephathi ikhwama zakulama company ezitolo la weniyothenga kuzona thina ke sithi no awubambe kancane lo wallet loyo uyophatha nje just a wallet ebhaliwe igama lakho mingabe ukhipha kunomuntu omupha imadlana athi wow abone into enegama lakho inesithakazelo njalo so that is who we are as ke uTP the Promoter ne Prizani the Leather Lab Co.
So when you decided to go into this, why leather? Why producing this kind of stuff?
Sesinombuzo ngiyawuthanda kakhulu umbuzo wakho and ngiyabonga kakhulu kuona. I've never thought ukuthi ngingaya kulomkhakha lo because number 1 bengumuntu mina obekwi media kakhulu so bengumuntu obexhumene kakhulu nabantu so ngikhulele endwedwe ozwathini bengekho exposed ezintweni eziningi so ngithe ngesikhathi ngikhula ngiqala ngingena kwi media ngaqala nga exposed nje ezintweni eziningi ezahlukahlukene including ama t-shirts ngoba izinto la ngiqale khona lapho ngibrandela abantu ama t-shirts because emakhathi benza imicimbi benza emasontweni benza but bethi siyasibona ama t-shirts njani singawathola kuphi so zaqala lezi zinto zakhula kanjalo thuthi abanye bafuna ama banners thuthi mina mangize ngapha eThekwini ngizofika ngibenzela ama banners ngibabuyisele emakhaya kwakhula but by that time bengade ngisayithenga nje bukhoma lezi zinto lezi kube khona la si outsource khona abantu besenzele so ngesinye isikhathi ngathi ngingenela kwi social media ngabona insizwa yakwamanzini ekuyiyona engathi yona yaqhamuka ngqo nale idea le ipostile ikhuluma ngayo kwasho ukuthi ke naye usaqala usazama ukubona ukuthi ke izinto izahamba kanjani so yena waqhamuka ne-idea yokuthi no unomqondo because okunye kwakho ukufundela and he's very good and then nami on the other side ngiqhamuka nokuthi nginama customer nginama followers ngiphinde ngizoba nothando lokudayisa nothando lokunikeza abantu into ehlukile engithemba ukuthi yinhle and bazoyithanda so that's when ke sahlangana khona sabonisana ngale idea le ukuthi no bafethu asingene kuthini sizokwenzela abantu into ehlukile bafethu engathwayilekile so that's how sangena kanjalo si unomboso ne
and Nomdai, this type of business they are called just looking at the Leather Lab Co. it's quite a niche business. It's not a something that it's every day, because clearly the leather is everlasting. It's a once-off. I'm just curious to find out, Uguti, how difficult is it for you to source good leather? As a black business, if it would have been a lot easier, but how difficult is it to source really, really good leather?
I don't know, mhlambe ngizothi sibe nenhlanhla yokuthi sithola umuntu ozosupply ngale leather o loyal. So nje kune company esesebenzisayo as much as ingeke ngikwazi ukuyimention ngqo ngegama, but so far ezisaqala he's been loyal kuthina. Ukhona khona naye la eThekwini, as much as enama suppliers amaningi ahlukahlukene, but so far akakabi inzima kangako ukuthi ke sikwazi ukuthi ke sithole le leather le egood nakangaka. But I'm sure lapho umbuzo ama challenges usazoba khona. Akhona ama challenges esiba nawo if usaqhubeka ne product, because akugona ukuthi I product mase sitholi leather sekuphelele. Khona namanye ama pieces samba siqhuma then ke kuphelele kuphume le product le. But so far but uJobe ngabe sinamanga mfethu ke kuthiwe mele ubonge makukhona ukuhle okwenzakalayo. So far we are very proud for I supplier yethu esupplier ngale leather le.
Manje kunegoma lapha ekhaya, uyawazi ungifakela leather kule goma
konje goma usofa. Oh yeah.
But I'm still like, I want leather jacket. I want a leather jacket.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Epelu deeps ngasemunga.
Awubambo letho kwamanje.
That's the thing. Yes, that's the thing. Bhuti umzokoloko ngelontuzana ngezinto ezithinta amaleda. Ngekuthiwe mengabe abantu bekwazi umsakazi ba expect ukuthi mengabe sebezokubona bazokubona uphaphile wenza yonke into, kusho nje umuntu ososha wabantu you talk till 24/7 ungenamahloni. Kanti no njengamanje sekunabantu kwi radio but mase sephambi kwabantu uyasaba but mbeke behind the microphone uzoqeketha. So ngizama ukuthi we don't do really everything. Nathi sathi mabe siqala icompany sazibekela ukuthi no bafethu thina nje we will deal with these products, because if sesifaka izinto eziningi sicina si-challenge-eke ekutheni umuntu odu-wallet asisakwazi ukumsupplyela on time, because abantu abaningi abama customers ethu uthi mhlawumbe umuntu ngoJuly I want to order this thing for uJuly, it's either my husband or my wife,
mostly
or whoever. It's mostly gifting. Yes, it's all about ukuthi ke si gift abantu yabona, and I'm sure bakhona mhlawumbe abakwenzayo sofa nama jacket. But maybe in future as a company cooler.
Yeah, we need to get there. Yeah.
Beautiful stuff, man. We're still going to have more from Thandazani as he hangs out with us here on the show. Just for someone to catch a glimpse while we play music of your products, ku Facebook nizibiza ngba
sikhona ku Facebook ibhuti wami at the Leather Lab Co, iyona main page leyo, but ke ezingishilo umuntu nane followers njalo ngikhona kwi personal page as uThandazani TP Msomi. So ke umuntu mayikhethela ukuthi ke ufuna ukubona iproduct kuphela noma ufuna ukubona no TP nezinye izinto akazenzayo.
Great.
The motion
yakuzo
Vuma FM, Altered Radio for the Young at Heart. Thandazani Msomi is here with us, TP. He works with leather.
Yeah. I'm just going through his Instagram posts and on the Leather Lab Co, right?
Yes.
Absolutely amazing stuff. Great product. Really looking snazzy. Looks good. Classy.
Thank you.
It's really great stuff. But I also just want to know, when it comes to ordering purposes, how do we go about getting the stuff onto our bodies?
Okay, number one, sisinombuso umuntu ngaya einkundleni zokuxhumana at the Leather Lab Co, afike mhlambe adesos inbox noma thathe ama contact wethu akhona laphana. But ke okulula kakhulu ukuthi ke avele asendele iWhatsApp kwinombolo engu 072 318 1171 072 318 1171. Bese mengabe sesendele iWhatsApp asho ukuthi interested ekutheni abone umsebenzi wethu weLeather Lab Co, mhlambe nama prizes njalo, then ke sobe sesimforwardela ke konke nje esikwenzayo, then yobe sekuyena koyikhethela ukuthi hayi no ngithanda lokhu, then ke simsendele ama methods ukuthi ke kuodwa kanjani. But engakusho kuthatha only 4 days ukuthi ke siqedele order lo muntu. I do a day because nanama combo ku wallet, ilontuzana iwash, key rings, so kuyashesha konke within 4 days so sesiqedele.
Well, it looks like Umkhulu's got a birthday gift coming.
Yeah,
Umkhulu 4 days. You know, he'll pick what he likes and we'll get him a birthday gift. I think it'll be
definitely
nice.
I love leather craft and what you actually do, especially in Instagram. But I've got one challenge for you. TP, it's an easy one.
Yeah.
I would like a laptop cover.
Okay. Definitely we can get that one for
that
you.
says jobbing apparently. Yes, please.
No, it's fine. If you can tell us model laptop yakho size, we can get that one.
Easy peasy.
My guy, thank you so much, man. We are very happy to have ithuba lokukhuluma nawe namhlanje sikufisela konke okuhle as you continue with umsebenzi wakho ngathi ngavuleka namathuba emsebenzi for other people from what you do. And those who'd like to get in touch with you bakuthinta kanjani?
Khona social media Thandazani TP Msomi bese ke bengithinte kade munye sefona nje manje la 0723181171. Siyabonga kakhulu kumkhulu ubaba uSifatha, I'm sure khona azokuthola for birthday yakhe. Ngibonge kuwena bhuti Mzokoloko Gabriel nakusisi Nombuso. It's nice to be here.
We like you here.
Just hope angcinile.
Ikhehla zothola isikhwama.
All right, thank you. Asizile uzomuyisa mfowethu.
I'm also like
I'm just saying umkhulu usikhwama kuyahambisana.
Uhlaka.
Vuma FM.